Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or if you have surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. For an up-to-date list of available machines, please visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we also have 50 plus additional machines being processed. So check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that all of our machines are located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to take a look at a Timesavers 2300 series 43-inch dual head wide belt sander with only 2,551 hours on it. This particular 2300 series does come with a 25 horsepower, 8-inch helical grooved rubber drum on the first head. We did have that first drum recovered, so it is going to be 100% life and obviously defect free. When we had the head out, we also did replace the bearings. We simply replaced the bearings, not because they need to be replaced, but when you pull the drum, you have to pull the bearings, and we never reuse bearings. Your second head is a 20 horsepower combination head. That's going to feature a 5-inch helical groove drum. We did dress that drum out. It is also defect free. In between that, you do have a platen. That platen has a 2.5-inch face on it. It has brand new graphite and brand new felt. You're going to see dial indicators, and you have a dial indicator for each drum and of course that platen. This machine does run at 118 amps at 230 volts, 3-phase. If you were to come up front, you're going to see that you do have an auto thicknessing device, and you do have a digital readout and controller here to program your thicknesses. When you walk up to this machine, well, first I just want to indicate that we do have the door safety off, just so you can see this machine run. This will be reattached to the machine when it ships. When you first walk up to the machine, the first thing you want to do is hit your master start. That's going to illuminate and almost engage your heads. The next thing you want to do is you're going to want to reset your heads. To do this, you simply hit your stop buttons. The red indicator is going to go out, and you basically are resetting your heads. Then you can use everything. Everything right now will work. So we're going to start that first head. Finally, the second head. The feed is in the slowest speed right now. It does have a variable frequency drive that controls that speed. When you hit the emergency stop, the brakes are going to engage. We're going to reset everything again. And finally, what we're going to do is we are going to raise and lower this machine. The bed does raise and lower as it should. What's nice is you do have a power bed, and you also, on the lower part of the machine down here, you do have a handle in case you want to dial in really, really fine, in case you think that this is too fast. But you can also dial in the numbers off the front of the controller as well. There's the new graphite on the platen, set of manuals, and those are your dust hoods. They're taken off. It ships a little bit easier with the hoods off. We also replaced the feed mat. It has been replaced with a new 3-ply rough top brown nitrile mat. This machine also has double infeed and outfeed hold down rolls, a 14-inch infeed loading area, those are the 2 rolls up front, and a 15-inch minimum parts length. This is the drive side of the machine. Finally, a view of the electrical cabinet. Remember, this machine only has 2,551 hours on the meter. Again, if you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.